Oh, ClickUp, the things I do for you. I literally just got off the beach, but considering I got to spend the morning with my favorite coffee and my favorite avocado toast on the beach, already getting my 6,000 steps in. What better way to follow that up with a new ClickUp release and some bubbly, because it's Saturday and I can. ClickUp just released their 2.45 update, and we are getting a new ClickUp app. And by the way, whoever is watching, and I see Steph, you are watching, I am running my M50 right now, so let me know how the video is. I haven't done any color correction yet, but it's straight up running through my M50 as a live stream camera. So I'm using this also as a testing the tech. So perfect having you here. Let me know how the video looks like. We now have sprint points in ClickUp, which is going to be really fun for my Scrum and Agile people. You have to go into ClickUp and into your ClickUp apps to turn that on. It's an additional feature that needs to be turned on in here, and I'm guessing it's going to be all the way down at the bottom. By the way, let me give you the big screen on the screen share. And no, it's not. Where do we have it? There it is. Sprint points. You have to turn it on. You do have your point values, so you can update those too if you do not want to go in the Fibonacci sequence. Do you want to roll up sprint points? I would do that. I always like my roll up. I don't know what the granular sprint points does, so let's go look at it, and then you decide on which spaces. So let's deep dive a little bit more into those sprint points. So introducing our own native sprint point feature. Now you can set a point system in minutes and easily manage where it's applied. No more messing with custom fields. If you guys still want to use the custom fields, you can. It's still an option. Not only are sprint points a way simpler way to maintain Scrum and Agile points, but they also give you the ability to roll up points from subtasks and assign separate points to each assignee. As you can see in the preview, you can assign your sprint points per assignee and not just a collection. Simply toggle it on. We just did that. It's also a great way to use sprint points for the resource management in the timeline view. But let's deep dive a little bit just into sprint points. You can click on it in the release. Dedicated place to maintain workload capacity. You got to turn it on. We got that. We just read that too. Business plus workspaces. So you will only have this feature if you are at least on the business account, which pretty much all of my clients are, because I have a special for them. So if you want a special, you're going to have to become my clients. Enabling sprint points, we just did that. Cool. To set sprint points from any of the following location, use the star icon. So you will be able to find those in the task view, the list view, the board view, the workload view, as well as the box view. Cool. So it's pretty much all over the place. Sprint points and reporting. Report on sprint points in dashboard. So you can pull those into your dashboards too for better understanding of how to plan and execute your projects. Simply select your preferred widget and set sprint points as a y-axis value. Oh my God. And we're going to have to deep dive into this and really see how those implement into the dashboard. So you can line chart, bar chart, pie chart, battery chart, calculation, portfolio, burn up, burn down, cumulative flow, as well as velocity chart. Cool. So more reporting coming our way. Love it. Sorting by sprint points. Ooh, nice. So we even have sorting on those. There is granularity. The point total displayed for each task will be the sum of the points assigned for each assignee. When adding sprint points to a task with multiple assignees, you'll see an entry box for each person. Oh, so granularly just means you get to have multiple assignees per sprint points. Cool. Subtask roll-up, you know me. I always like a good roll-up. Done. Awesome. Love it. We'll be diving a little bit deeper into what that means for dashboards in our ClickUp in real life, because I'm pretty sure once Anne sees that update, she's going to do her dashboard magic again. Oh my God. Improve tables and docs and tasks. Oh, okay, I am having a nutgasm right now. Enjoy the experience of completely revamped tables in our tasks and docs. We've added the ability to resize columns, add line breaks within cells. Oh my God, ClickUp guys, devs, I love you right now. Add lists inside cells, as well as paste data from excellent CSV files. Oh, yes. Okay, Evie over here is really excited about that, because that means we can work way better with this and really start building spreadsheets. I don't think it's necessarily a full-on spreadsheet replacement yet. I need to put this to the test more, but I am excited about this. If we can keep improving on this piece, because I literally just ran into an issue with this last week where I'm like, God damn it, now I still need to stay over it. Google Documents. And we have a new tool that I have not heard about yet. You need to integration. You need to just launch the beta integration, which allows sync ClickUp with Jira, Trello, HubSpot, and more. Ooh, guys, my project managers out there, you know what that means? That, oh God, if I understand this right, so it allows you to sync ClickUp with Trello, as well as sync ClickUp with HubSpot to keep tasks updated across teams and departments. It's a two-way sync. Oh my God, two-way sync. That means for my project managers out there and my designers and people that have clients that are just fighting you tooth and nail to finally leave Trello. You guys know my opinion on Trello. That's a whole nother story. You can now two-way sync this stuff into your ClickUp. You do not have to go over to Trello. And I need to deep dive into the whole HubSpot thing and see what that means, because I'm still struggling to figure out my favorite CRM integration and setup. Okay, so two-way connection sync between two or more of your tools that enables instant updates to flow between the software. Why have I not heard of Unito before? What the heck? So for example, if you were to change the description and the due date of your ClickUp task, the Jira issue in there on the other side would be updated automatically too, and vice versa. Okay, I am totally going to be nerding out on. Okay, now I want to know. You're going to have to wait a second, because I am way too. No, what a click at effort. Sweet. Now, what's the pricing? Yes, I am the first one always to look at pricing. And if anybody of you has used that before, go let me know. It's why am I just hearing of this? 10 active user, 10-minute sync, 5 auto syncs. Nah, not too bad. Cheryl, it matters. So Cheryl is asking about, she has the same thing, but rather than with Trello, than with Asana. So that means integrations. Ooh, Cheryl, I would deep dive into that, because they do have an Asana integration. Now, the question is if the tool itself can do the Asana to ClickUp syncing. It is entirely possible. It syncs Asana with Trello. So now that it has the two-way sync with ClickUp and Trello, there might just be the integration. There we go. Let's see if what kind of information it gives us. And yes, we are all waiting for the Pomodoro. Oh, come on, really, people. Just let me know if it's possible or not. I don't want to sign up yet. Okay, Cheryl, I would just dive into that and see what you can find out and keep me updated. the integration is there. So theoretically, if they have been able to connect that information and map that out, yes, that should be possible. Okay, there goes my weekend. Diving into a new tool. Manual time tracking improvements. Oh, by the way, talk about time tracking. I am potentially having found a bug. I've been testing Clockify as a third-party time tracking in ClickUp, but mine is not showing. So I'm seeing if there is a bug going on or not. But on release time, I am totally chatty today. Sorry, guys. I'm totally nodding out. Manual time tracking improvements. So time tracking in ClickUp keeps improving. Thanks, guys. In the last release, we already had the improvement of the tracker itself, granular, all of that. So reduce clicks for manual mode. Okay. So hold on. Go over. Oh, so there is now a plus sign next to the time tracked. It's coming up in a second again. There's a plus sign right there that allows you to manually add your time right away. So less clicking, because we know all of that clicking everywhere, and my battery is running out. You gotta love it. I need to, let me switch over to my webcam. I'll be right back. Not that one. That one. There we go. I'm back. Sorry, guys. I was testing my Canon M50, and I do not yet have the AC adapter. It's on the way, and I'm running out of battery. Sorry. So, yes, back to topic. Plus sign gives you the straight-up integration of just adding manual time. Support setting for time range. Time range. Log manual time with time range. Just simply set the start and stop times in the manual mode. Okay. So it's calculating it by itself. Cool. Unclear notifications. If you ever accidentally cleared a notification you wish you could undo, now you can restore it from your cleared notification. Chris! We literally just had that where a client of mine had seen the notification, jumped in, replied, but needed to also assign it and forgot to assign before he cleared that comment. Or like we went back into the cleared ones and he then assigned the comment. So it wasn't a big deal, but look at that. What did we do before undo? I swear, I'm living on undo, even with emails. If you don't have that in your Gmail yet, you need that. The whole undo within 15 seconds of sending out that email. Oh, yeah. Show milestones and export. Cool. We have some more fanciness when we export our stuff. Display longer custom field names. Fit custom fields with longer names by adjusting the column within the task view. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Node alert. Let's do that one, just because it's right up there. Okay, so we can switch that over now. We can grab that, and because, come on, there we go. Oh, look at that. Yep. Ta-da! Done. Sweet. Cool. So things keep going. Things keep improving. Webinars coming up. Look at that. So Justin is doing that, right? No, I think other people too. Yes, I'm that bad. I barely am at the webinars because I am so deep ingrained into building my social media scalability hero course and all of the other things and working with the ClickUp in real life that I've not been on the webinars. But human resources, oh my God, I am not jealous of them holding those webinars. Human resources is so much stuff that needs to go into. Customer service, big one. So if you guys want to learn straight up from the ClickUp team, go over there. Go check out the webinars. And if you are still watching live, yet you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, now go click the subscribe button and hit the bell, because I go live with every nearly every single release, and you get the first time look. I am not prepping these videos. These videos are off the cuff, just going with it. You see how easy or difficult it might be integrating. I had things in the past where I'm like, what the hell are you guys doing? What's happening? This doesn't make any sense. We are all just humans. You get to play around alongside me, and I would just love to have you here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button right down there. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on Tuesday as I am talking about task templates. See you then. Enjoy your weekend, everybody.